So today I will be showing you how to create a WooCommerce coupon. Once inside of the WordPress dashboard, we will head over to the WooCommerce plugin, hover over it for a little bit, go to the coupon section, click it, wait for it to come up. This is where I have been just trying to play with it a little bit, so we'll just continue on that right there. If we weren't having this, you just go to add coupon and then everything will show up exactly as this has. So we click onto this. And then from here, we can give it a coupon code of some sort. So I'll just do 89741. Description will be 20% off each item. Inside the discount type, we can do percentage discount, fixed cart discount, or fixed product discount. So we'll just do the percentage discount. Coupon amount, set that to 20%. If you want allowed free shipping with it, we can, but for right now, we're just going to leave that off. We're going to set the coupon expiry date to, let's say, Thunder Roll Weekend. So we'll set it for the 20th. From here, we'll go to the usage restrictions. Minimum spend, let's say $40 like everybody else does for free shipping. No, let's lower the 20. I'm mistaken. The maximum spend, let's do 100. And we can use it in conjunction with other coupons. I'll click that. And we'll exclude sell items because sometimes we don't want it to be on there because it can always be more. Click that. Let's see. We'll go down to the usage limits. I'm not going to worry about the products or excluded products. We'll just keep it open this time. And we'll use the limit per coupon. Let's do once so we won't lose as many. Let's do the first 50 customers instead. We'll just keep that the way it is. Then per customer, that'll be 1. And then from there, we will publish it. And the coupon has been published. From there, we can go back into the coupons and see that it is active, that no one has used it yet out of the 50 usage limit, and the coupon amount is 20%. If you want to go back and edit it, we'll just hit edit, and then we can move around the same way as we have been before. If you want to change it to visibility, you do password protected or private, but for most businesses, just keep it public. So just click cancel on that. And there you have a coupon that can be added to your e-commerce site.